Your electric sauna heater is the engine of your relaxation, but it needs regular care to keep running smoothly. Let's break down the essentials of electric heater maintenance. After each session, wipe down the heater's exterior with a damp cloth to remove water stains or debris. Ventilate your sauna for at least 30 minutes by propping the door open and lifting duct boards to let moisture escape. Vacuum around heating elements monthly to remove dust and stone particles. Once a year, replace 30 to 50% of your stones and sand any stains off benches with fine grit sandpaper. For safety, test the thermal cutoff button to ensure it's functioning properly. Every few months, inspect your sauna stones. Signs that the stones need to be replaced include the following. Stones are cracked, crumbling, or discolored. Heating takes longer than usual. Steam feels weak or inconsistent. You notice unusual smells. This can indicate debris buildup. Rinse them if they've collected dirt or debris, and restack them with gaps for proper airflow. Larger stones go near the bottom, smaller ones near the top.
Higher quality stones like peridotite or olivine diabase tend to last longer than cheaper, softer alternatives.
Ready to keep your sauna heater in peak condition? Visit saunaplace.com or call 931-516-6577 for premium replacement stones, sauna-safe cleaning supplies, and expert advice. Don't forget to subscribe. And remember, a well-maintained heater means years of worry-free relaxation, so start your routine today.